Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Gulikit and removing batteries or magnetic plates. This prevents shorting. Once done, use a tri-wing screwdriver to remove the visible screws on the back, then gently pry the shell with a plastic tool to avoid scratches. Make sure to place screws in a container and note their positions. You'll see the PCB and button membrane next. This early care makes later reassembly simple and reduces risk of lost parts or damaged ribbon cables. You'll now lift the silicone membrane and inspect button caps and conductive pads. If swapping buttons, remove the old caps and place new ones in the same orientation. Alignment matters for travel and contact. For custom sizing, trim edges slowly and test fit. Small incremental cuts avoid over-trimming. Reseat any springs or conductive pads so they sit flat on the PCB contact. Once everything sits evenly, press each button by hand to confirm tactile feel and consistent travel before you finish by aligning the shell and lowering it slowly, making sure ribbon cables aren't pinched. This prevents damage. Tighten screws gradually and in a cross pattern so the shell seats evenly. Once reassembled, reinstall batteries and pair or power on the unit to test each button in menus and games. If a button feels dead or sticky, reopen and inspect the contact. Clean with isopropyl alcohol, check the conductive pad, and verify spring placement. This troubleshooting step fixes most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.